Hello. Let us start with the next topic of Unit 3, which is of machine to machine and wireless sensor network protocols here. So, so this is the first thing. So generally machine to machine, how the sensor devices are being interconnected. So the data has to be get interchanged with the number of sensing devices which is interconnected one among the other. So the data has to be analyzed, processed, and decision has to be taken. So additional few points in relation to the machine to machine applications. So most M2M applications are developed today in a highly customized fashions. So high level M2M architecture from M2M standardization task force does include fixed and other non-cellular wireless networks too. Means it is generalistic holistic IoT architecture even though it is M2M architecture. M2M and IoT sometimes are used interchangeably in United States. So the continuation of this machine-to-machine application is purpose of machine-to-machine technology is to tap into sensor data and transmit it to the networks. Unlike of SCADA and other remote monitoring tools, machine-to-machine system often use public networks and access method. For example, cellular or Ethernet. It makes it more effective. So in some other terms, without any internet options, with a short range of communication, we go with Bluetooth, RFID, or in terms of internet, we go with Wi-Fi. So, and it is generally an autonomic computing software programmed to help a network device interpret data and make the decisions. So the benefits of this machine-to-machine communication is of to reduce the cost by minimizing the equipment maintenance and downtime. Then boosted revenue by revealing new business opportunity for servicing products in the field, and improved customer service by proactively monitoring and servicing the equipment before it fails or only when it is needed. So the machine to machine applications and examples has been described in this slide here. So the machine to machine communication is often used for remote monitoring. So in product restocking, for example, a vending machine can message the distributor networks or machine when a particular item is running at the uh, uh, low cost of things to send a refill again. So an enabler of asset tracking and monitoring, M2N is a vital in warehouse management systems and supply chain management. So these are the different kind of applications. So if a user wants to wake up at the morning, depends upon the weather conditions, an intimation has to be given with the different kinds of sensing what is being deployed in the home services. So based on the need, the heater has to be get on based on the weather conditions of outside. So different applications with the automated systems and more increased in security. So it is being interconnected. So depends upon the requirement and usage. Uh, a priority has to be given to the separate kind of sensing devices. So then we have to move on to the next PPT, which is of wireless sensor here. So in general, sensor monitors and records the physical condition of the environment, which in then sent to the central location. That is called as a sync node. When the data is collected and analyzed for further actions too. Sensor in NetSim are abstract in terms of what they sense, and NetSim focuses on the network communications except after sensing is performed. WSN sync is mainly used in connection of large number of sensing devices. So here the sync node is a principal collector in WSN. So it acts as a head node, right? So to connect all the sensing devices which is deployed at the same locations. So we have to make it as a separate group, and a sensing node is used to transmit the data to the server by collecting all the data of the sensor deployed in the common network structure. While designing a network, after dropping the sensor nodes and sync node, click on the ad hoc link present in the top ribbon or toolbar and drop it inside the grid like you did for the sensor and the sync node. Once the ad hoc link is present inside the grid, click on the same and now click on the other devices you wish to connect. Similarly, repeat the same procedure to connect all devices to the ad hoc link. Thanks for the session. Let us continue with the next topic of the Unit 3.